A convicted child rapist who was awaiting sentencing has asked the court to allow him to be released on furlough for a month, but when the court denied his request, he decided to withdraw from the plea agreement. PNC's Jolene Toves reports.
Martin Rengechi pleaded guilty to raping a little girl for a period of 10 years. The sexual assault, according to court documents, began when she was 7 or 8 years old. Rengechi blamed his actions on, quote, a Chuki's love potion, end quote, which he told police was placed inside his pillow by his sister-in-law. Rengechi was supposed to be sentenced in court yesterday, but that was postponed as the government was unable to locate the victim, and Rengechi had motioned for furlough.
We're requesting that he be allowed out of custody for a period of time. We're requesting a month. The reason for that is his mother is she's sickly, she's aging, it's more difficult for her to get around.
According to his attorney, Rengechi has about 2 years left to serve, as indicated on the plea agreement. He further stated that the government has no objection to his release and is only requesting a shorter time period. Prosecutor Peter Santos confirmed. But Superior Court Judge Anita Sokola denied the request for furlough, citing that there is no documentation to back up the claims that his mother is sick. She also notes that once Rengechi is sentenced and processed through DOC, he could apply for the extended leave program, which would allow him to visit his mother if she was bedridden. But based on what the court saw today, it did not deem that Rengechi's mother is bedridden, as she was present for the proceeding. This made Rengechi upset.
In light of the courts making a ruling on denying your client's motion, are we going forward today with the sentencing?
Judge, Mr. Rengechi I just spoke to for a few minutes in the holding cell, and he's upset by the ruling that the court made. He's indicated to me that he wants to withdraw his plea at this point.
The severity of what's going to happen could be worse. You go ahead and file your motion then, sir. I knew that this was going to happen if he did not get it, and that's why the court was very concerned that this ploy was used to see what the court was going to do. And if the court were to allow him to have the furlough, then he would go forward with the plea.
Judge Sokola sternly expressed that the court would not be put in such a position, further citing that Rengechi was given a really good deal, as according to the plea agreement, he would be sentenced to 8 years with all but 3 years suspended and credit for time served. But now all the charges are back on the table. That means he once again faces first-degree criminal sexual conduct as a first-degree felony, which carries a prison term of life. 2 counts of first-degree criminal sexual conduct, which has a sentence of 15 years to life, and a 3rd charge of third-degree criminal sexual conduct, which would have been the only charge in the plea agreement, which carries a 1 to 8 year sentence. In light of this decision to not move forward, his attorney, John Morrison, is withdrawing from the case as his legal counsel, and Judge Sokola will be setting the matter for trial. The next hearing is April 2nd. Reporting for PNC News, I'm Jolene Toves.